All right, welcome back to Build It, Fix It Garage, and I'm gonna do just a garage guy review on the goat guns, right? I mean, so you pick one up, and you're like, oh, is it a toy? Or these things are actually got some weight to them. That's the 50 BMG, my favorite silencer. You can take that off. The bipod you can fold up, and of course you can stick it in your back pocket. But yeah, these things are pretty damn cool. This one has the action where you can actually have ammo in the magazine. And you take the magazine out. And it comes with cool little bullets. And of course, I lost them. They're little. They're around here somewhere. But it even has a magazine spring in there. How cool is that? But it would eject them out of here. The trigger works. Pretty cool. 50 BMG. Goat guns. Love it. So here's how they come in the package. This is a new one. SVD sniper rifle. We're going to unbox this, and I mean, this company is really, 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 I mean, I'm like 55 years old, but that makes me feel like a kid. See the little bullets. Yeah. So, man, that thing is heavy. Trigger work. I don't know if that one does or not. Yeah, it does. So when I build this one, and it's got the little ammo that I know you could load it in the magazine. Whoops. But yeah, that's the action right there. Okay, I guess we'll put you together. Pretty cool. I'm not sure what that is, but I love all the cool stuff they give you. I mean, who wouldn't want that? Sarge. Oh yeah, by the way, that's Sarge right there. They go, yep, he approves. Let's see what else they got. Yeah, great instructions. SVD. Really cool to put together. Super easy. And by the way, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video where you can get any goat guns that they have. And when you buy from that link, it helps support my channel, and I appreciate you guys for watching. And remember, I'm just a guy in the garage. I'm not one of those production people or anything like that. See, I can't even open this up. But they give you this really cool. It's a magnetic screwdriver to put those little bitty screws in to put the gun together. All right, let's put it together. All right, welcome back to Build It, Fix It Garage. So, had to go to work, so I couldn't put it together yesterday. But I actually put most of it together this morning. But yeah, I mean, this thing has got some nice weight to it. The magazine comes out. There's your scope. See right through it. Oh, they didn't know I had screws back there. Cool. Bipod folds up and in. That. Huh. Little. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it was crooked, but it screws in. That's your front sight. Yeah, it's locked. I broke a little piece off of here. I think that was your back iron sight. No big deal. I don't know why I broke it off. I don't know what I was doing. I think I was putting these hand guards on, and you will see that probably have to super glue that. Just no big deal. Super glad. Also, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably weather it a little bit with a little light sandpaper just to kind of get the shine off and to accent some of those. So I'll push that in a little bit. But here's the bolt action, spring loaded. So the one thing, let's see if I can get this out. The one thing that it doesn't do, it doesn't cycle the ammo like like the 50 BMG. That actually cycles the ammo. Of course, I lost the ammo, but when you pull the bolt back, it ejects around and they go flying. Probably why I lost them, but this one does not. But you can put the little bullets in there, the sniper rounds, but it does not eject them out of here like the 50 BMG. Yeah, that 50 BMG is my favorite. But this is a little hard getting in, but yeah, pretty cool. What I'll do also, super easy to take back apart. Just a little bit of gun oil because I can kind of feel it just a little bit. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, a little bit of gun oil in there. Man, if you guys are looking for a present for a kid in his 50s or even a kid, these things are awesome. I got a link in the description where you can get these. It helps my channel. It goes right to the Goat Guns Amazon page, and you can buy one. You can buy 6. You can collect them all. So let me. I'm gonna detail that. I'm gonna glue that. The handguard. We'll do a little bit of weathering, detailing, and we'll see if we can make it look good. All right. So just a dab of super glue right there, and that held that handguard perfect. But here's what I was going to do is weather it. When I was building airplanes, we kind of made them look old and used. Kind of gets rid of that plasticky look, and just with a little steel wool, a couple of swipes. And I didn't know that. I think that's the dust guard, but that actually moves too. I mean, they don't leave anything out. Still didn't take it apart to put the gun oil on the action. Might not need it. So yeah, let's just do this side real quick. And you can do the whole gun, the barrel, just to kind of get the shine off of it. See how it dulled it? Isn't that cool? You can just kind of go over the whole thing like this, and in a couple of spots like that. Even do the stock. Yeah. So see how shiny that is right there? Watch this. It's gone. See the shiny right there? Anyway, that's a technique I've been using for I don't know how long, since I've been building it and fixing stuff. But yeah, I highly recommend it. So one thing I also got was the gun case, display case, whatever. The 50 BMG just barely fits in there. I would fold that up. Yeah. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got about 7, 8 more guns. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. By the way, that is an actual 50 BMG. Obviously, it's a dummy round. And this is a 223-556. Shoots right out of AR-15. And that one is ready to cha-cha. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you follow or click on the link to buy these awesome goat guns. I mean, if you just want to buy one, you got to get the 50 BMG. I don't know which one I'm going to buy next. I'm going to buy all of them. And maybe if I can buy some extra 50 BMG rounds, then I can actually show you the action. And a little sneak preview of what we're going to do next. That's great. Just dropped it. This, it's a mini recoil can. Look at this. And that guy over there, he sits on top of this and fires it. So, yeah, I'll do a review on that, and I'll show you where to buy it. All right, thanks for watching. See you later.